Hello students, it's Ms. Naras, and today I have a video for you all about theoretical probability, so the chances that something will happen. Today's example has a spinner with a bunch of colors and numbers, and it says find each theoretical probability. Find the chances that it will happen. The first one I have to do is red. Well, I have to ask myself, what are the chances that if I spin the spinner, it will land on red? Now, I could say the probability as a fraction, decimal, or percent, but for this situation, usually fractions are easiest because how many red sections are there? Well, 3 out of 8. So the probability of getting red is 3 out of 8, or 3/8. Notice I wrote a shorthand for probability instead of writing the whole word, probability of. I just wrote P parentheses red. Let's do the next one. The probability of getting red with an odd number. Well, how many reds with odd numbers are there? Number 1 is red with odd. 4 is even, so no good. 6 is even, no good. So the chances of getting red with an odd is just 1/8. Go ahead and do green on your own. What'd you get? I hope you said 1/4. Now, maybe you said 2/8, but I should really simplify my fractions. So if I divide numerator and denominator by 2, I get the simplified version of 1/4, or 25%. The probability of getting a number less than 10, well, how many of these sections are numbers less than 10? Oh, all of them. So that's 8 out of 8, but I should really simplify that. I should just say 1 whole. And again, notice I used abbreviations. Instead of writing probability number less than 10, I wrote P parentheses and less than 10. I'm trying to shorten it. Probability of getting yellow? There's no yellow, so it's 0. There's no chances that I'm going to get yellow. And last one, the probability of getting a blue with an odd number. Blue with odd, there's this one and this one. So that's 2 out of 8, but I'm not going to get fooled again. 1/4. Pretty much that's probability. And again, I could change all of these fractions to decimals or fractions or percents. Like this one up here, I could say 100%. This one I could say 0%. And this one I could say 25%. But if I can just leave it as a fraction, that's usually the easiest way. All right, guys, see you later. Bye.